Hey guys, I just want to show you my mattress, which is super comfortable and it's from the brand Emma. Mattress was very helpful during my pregnancy phase. As you know, during pregnancy you need complete rest and I did not get any back pain during this phase. This is the most awarded European mattress and it's got 3 layers. So I'll show you now. This has got the visco-elastic foam, the memory foam and the ergo-cell foam, which is right at the end. How cool is that? Post-pregnancy, this mattress has helped me a lot because the few hours of sleep which I've got is amazing thanks to this very bed. This is a German-based mattress and you get it in different sizes and you can purchase it online.